Lieutenant Governor Billy Nungesser wants to try again to put together a plan he says will provide help to the homeless in New Orleans while also making the city's most popular tourist spots safer. Nungesser says plans to address the issue never got off the ground, and he warns time is running short to solve the problems before tourism is negatively impacted. And Meg Ferris first brought us this story, and she joins us live from the French Quarter tonight with a follow-up. Meg?
That's right, Katie, and tourism is one of our top 4, I should say, economic drivers in Louisiana. In fact, in 2019, $1.9 billion that offsets your and my taxes, everyone's taxes, and also helps support big events like music festivals and sporting events that comes here. Now, the Lieutenant Governor tonight is saying that only prosecuting a fraction of the crimes and also the growing number of people who are living on the streets is hurting this major industry.
We've been doing it for years and we get no response. And we have sent photos, we've had meetings, nobody cares.
After airing the frustration of those who say prime gathering areas in New Orleans are becoming unsafe for locals and visitors, we got a call from Lieutenant Governor Billy Nungesser saying the same.
Well, we see the letters of people that say, I'm never coming back. We were harassed leaving, the restaurant. There were people laying naked in the street. They were using the bathroom in the street. My kids shouldn't be subject to this. And this is everywhere. We have it at the museum.
He says recently his office, working with the mayor's office, came up with proposed legislation to support the homeless while at the same time making the quarter safer.
Much like they did in San Diego was the gas lamp district, where they separated from the city, managed by residents and business owners with appointment by the mayor and by the city council to actually manage the quarter.
He says state and local money would focus on public safety in the city's tourist areas with cameras, lighting, graffiti removal, garbage collection, street cleaning, all overseen by a citizens group. At the same time, private business owners offered major funding for the homeless to get medical assessments and identify living quarters. It would also bring police numbers up to the 109 the area needs.
We even offered to put up some money from the tourism office to put friendly offices to help move the people that are disrupting the public along.
The proposal never made it for a vote, but Nungesser says he's still working with the mayor on a plan.
The mayor's going to be unrolling something, I want to say beginning of July, mid-July, to address cleaning up our core.
Nungesser says help is needed both for the homeless and for businesses relying on tourism. He says something drastic is needed now.
Failure is not an option on this. If not, we're going to lose the quarter.
And I've heard from people around the French Quarter and the Convention Center who say they're complaining about garbage piling up around the encampment. So we spoke to the City Health Department. Here's what they said. They said they go out weekly to identify public health problems and pass on information to the homeless about medical services. And they said the sanitation people also go out and clean up, but sometimes it's not enough because they will get to some places just once a month. So that's what they're doing now, and they say they're trying to identify places where these people can go. They also say that police are not allowed to move people from public spaces. They can just go out and control traffic. They know it's a temporary fix, but they are working on the problem. Reporting live from the French Quarter, Meg Ferris, Eyewitness News.